May bagong video ang Pinoy YouTube star na si Mikey Bustos. Wala pang isang linggo ang lumipas, halos 200,000 na ang views ng kanyang video na Balikbayan Box Pinoy Wrecking Ball Parody. At kaugnay niyan, kasama natin mismo ngayong umaga ang Pinoy YouTube star at former Canadian Idol finalist Mikey Bustos. Okay.
Magandang umaga.
Hello
mga kapuso, good morning.
Okay, pakipaliwanag lang itong outfit mo. Okay, this is not from the Wrecking Ball parody, no?
Oh, no. Diba there's the Ice Queen and there's a Queen Ant? Ako ay ngayon, umaga, hari ng mga langgam ng yelo.
Okay. And then, connected to sa iyong hobby na nabili ka rin sa mga langgam, no? I mean,
yes.
Nangungulekta ka ng langgam,
yun ang peg ko. Now, I have website, antscanada.com. We're very busy there. So, this is my alagang hantik for Christmas. And ako, I'm all in white kasi it's snowing kanina. We saw the picture in North America. So, I'm trying to be a little bit festive and plugging my business.
So negosyo rin pala yung ant, no? Hindi ka lang komedyante.
Yes, I do a lot of things.
Okay, Queen Ant. Okay, Queen Ant.
Well, I'm the king. I'm the hari.
King Ant.
Yes.
Okay, King Ant. Punta tayo dito sa parody mo ng yung Miley Cyrus, no? Yung
That's correct. Now I am Mikey Cyrus. Ako, I know it's the season of giving, diba? Here in Pilipinas, everyone is receiving their balikbayan boxes, and my mom already sent 3 balikbayan boxes. And, growing up, it was part of Filipino culture. So, I said, why don't I combine Miley Cyrus and a balikbayan box and put it together? And I came up with the parody. And grabe naman the response, Howie. It's been so wonderful. Everyone likes it. Look, I'm licking the banana cue.
Okay, lumaki ka sa Canada. Okay.
That's correct.
So, ang karanasan mo is mostly ikaw ang nagpapadala sa Pilipinas.
Yeah, well, I've always loved Filipino culture, and I've watched my parents giving to our relatives dito sa Pilipinas.
Okay.
I'm very observant. And so I like to inject it in my art.
And ngayon, ikaw ang magiging recipient ng
I am
Balikbayan
now a
Box.
recipient.
Hindi lang isa, pero tatlo, sabi mo?
Tatlo, my mom said. And she said, do not open it until I get there. She's coming here in January, Howie.
Anong klaseng Pasko yan? Hindi ka makakabukas ng mga regalo hanggang
I know,
January. Okay.
I will have a late
tatlo.
Christmas.
O baka para sa kanya yung Balikbayan Box na yan.
My mom feels like I deserve lots of things, like medicine for chickenpox, and all of the other stuff I mentioned in the parody. You should check it out.
Including, ano yung mga pinapadala nyo dati dito?
Well,
mga,
my mom also...
corned beef, di ba?
Yeah, she sent me corned beef. She sent me all the essentials, a big bottle of holy water from Toronto, just in case there's conjuring in my house. So
holy water, yung na-bless na ng pare.
Yes, yeah, okay. Holy water. And she also sent me a big bottle of MSG in case I need it for my food.
Oh,
that's
okay.
my mom.
Okay,
my mommy.
Okay, pero akala niya walang holy water dito we're the only Catholic country in Asia.
Exactly. Well, my mom feels like maybe Canadian holy water is better than local holy water. Who knows? I don't know.
Okay, kasi may eksena ka doon na parang hirap na hirap ka magbukas ng Balikbayan Box, no? Kasi paano ba yung pagbalot ng mga...
I've noticed that parang you need chainsaw to open a Balikbayan Box kasi daming mga layers of tape and minsan may rope pa. And then sometimes, there's even padlocks.
Padlock?
Yeah. I don't understand. That's why I had to create a video about it. And daming mga comments from people saying, I agree to that.
Okay.
Yeah.
And yung mga nagko-comment ay mostly mga recipients.
Actually, recipients and
senders.
Kasi I can see the analytics behind the scenes. And a lot of them are from US and Canada, the viewers. even more so than Filipinas.
Okay, so sila yung naglalagay ng tape at
Yeah,
lubid
they're the
and
ones who-
padlock. At
That's
so,
correct.
kino-confirm nila
Super
yun
secure.
yun
Super
talaga yung-
secure.
okay, so, so
Weatherproof pa.
okay, super secure. Siguro walang tiwala dun sa mga
Yeah,
yung mga
exactly.
dinadaanan dito sa Pilipinas, no? Yung
Tama. Yeah, it was a very fun video to make. I feel very grateful for all of those who support me and support my work. And maraming salamat sa lahat ng viewers ko sa YouTube and everywhere. So if you would like to keep in touch with me, be sure to follow me on Twitter at Mikey Bustos and also on Facebook, facebook.com/Mikey Bustos.
Okay, well, obviously may connection to sa Pasko, but it's not explicitly Christmassy, no? Tungkol sa Balikbayan
Yes.
Box. Pero syempre, yung mga Balikbayan Box, seasonal yan, no? So,
Tama. Yeah.
oo.
It's very, I felt it was very timely. Pero I actually did come up with the idea a week before. So it was, when I create, it's on a whim. You know, when I'm like, oh, I have this idea, I have to do it right away.
At tungkol naman sa craft, no? Before we end, maraming nanonood ng mga baka iniisip nila, pwede rin akong gumawa ng video para sa YouTube. No, ito ba mga homemade productions mo to? May professional crew ka na nakasama?
Well, no, medyo homemade actually. I borrowed my camera from my friend. Tapos I have a student friend who helped me edit naman. And we just went to a friend's place in Caloocan to film the whole video. And then we said, hey, there's a tree here. Let's hang the Balikbayan box from a tree and go swinging, nahubad, like on the Balikbayan box. And it was really all on the spot. And it turned out really well. Yung mga chickens, the burning fire sa likod, and the scenery, it all really worked very well.
So, ang pinaka-importante, hindi yung equipment, hindi yung budget, hindi yung pagkakaroon ng professional crew, pero yung idea. No?
It's the idea.
Yung
The content and the idea.
Yan ang sekreto sa pagpatok sa YouTube.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much. At maligayang Pasko sa iyo.
Maligayang
King
Pasko.
Ant.
Thank
Mikey
you very
Bustos.
much.